Hi, this is a remake of an Animal Jam Den party I had. And so yeah. Hi. And so yeah, I'm filming. So yeah. I really want free chat. I don't have free chat. No free chat. I want free chat. Okay, Animal Jam Den Party Remake. Animal Jam Den Party Remake is the title. Okay, my channel is my username with the ones. My channel is my username with ones. So like go for cats one. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, this is a really good den party. Look at my little tiger. Oh, it's so fun. What's up now? Oh, Paradise Party. You already did a tour of that. Okay. So yeah, this is great den party. Yeah. This is awesome. So yeah, people are just having fun, just being jammers, just being themselves. There's my friend. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Okay. Little pet shopper. It's like she forgot one P. Okay, it's like, but no, I'll just say shopper. Little pet shopper. Okay. So yeah. Peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter. We were like, I was in digital photography class and we were using iPods. People just started finding music on their iPods. So apparently I had music on my iPod too. They had like the school's iPods. And apparently I had music on mine. And so I clicked on it and it started going, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. And I'm like, what the heck? And we all started laughing like crazy and they started dancing. Okay. That about wraps it up for the Animal Jam Den party. I hope you enjoyed watching everybody dancing and having fun. And the purple rainbows with waffles. Let's see if I can say neon. No, I can't say neon cat. I'm just gonna say neon cat right now. Okay. Bye.